Did you have a favorite that you performed in?
Yes, three women, because I had a very good part of playing a Polish maid who becomes pregnant from the boss. And, it was sort of had overplayed. And then there was With Open Eyes, also with Holzer. I can't remember, I have to look up Arnold's book, all the plays that I was in. That was also a very good part. The Wooden Dish, which was about sending an old person to a home. And I played the daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. And I was shouting at the poor mother-in-law because she got on my nerves, which is understandable, but it's not the way to behave. That was also, they put that on twice. The first time Weislitz played the old man, and then Rachel Holzer played it as a woman. But, the message was the same.